Everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Happy fall, y'all! We are doing a fall cooking, and we're doing side dishes. You know, everybody loves the side dishes for Thanksgiving. So these are some ideas that would be perfect for a side dish for Thanksgiving or a family get-together for fall. Hope you enjoy the recipe. And this is one that's easy any time of the year. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, here's our crock pot. To the crock pot, I'm going to add 2 quarts of green beans, or you can add 2 big containers of green beans from the store, or this equals 2 quarts of green beans, or you could add 2 big frozen packages, a bunch of fresh, whatever it is you have, you can add that to it. Then I'm going to add to this 4 cut up potatoes. You can either peel them or not peel them, that's your choice. I'm not peeling them. And then to that, 1 smoked sausage, sliced up. That goes into the pot. That's why I said this is great for a potluck, for Thanksgiving, for a fall gathering, even for a family reunion. So this is perfect for the holidays. And then you just put it in there and let it cook about 4 hours, and it'll be good and done and ready for you to eat. And if you don't want to eat in 4 hours, you just put it on low and it'll be done in 8.